welcome to Planning with Lisa. It is finally here, my winter release Happy Planner items that I ordered online. I can't wait to share them with you. I want to thank my new subscribers for joining on board, and I want to thank everyone for viewing my content. And I want to remind everybody to please click like and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I haven't seen anything in this box, so I am going to be super, oh my goodness, excited to see what I ordered. So let me set this aside and I'll start taking out everything. So here we have the new Moana sticker book. It's so amazing. It's beautiful and it's gorgeous. I also ordered some mini dividers. This is called a, let's see, what is it called? Accessory zip pouch. Mickey, oh my gosh, it's the Mickey Mod line. And then, of course, I got the classic accessory planner pack, Moana themed. So this will go together. This goes on the mini. Oh my goodness. And I also got classic size dividers. And I'll take these items out and show everything quickly. I just want to unbox everything and then we'll get to the opening of everything. But look at this filler paper. And it is Moana themed as well. So we'll be looking at that. Oh my goodness. This is like something that I was anxious to get. It's the Mickey Mod limited edition, I guess, cover, special cover. And this goes with this. And last but not least, my Moana planner. So let me go ahead and unwrap everything and then I'll get back on. Okay, so I finished unwrapping everything. And so let's get to this straight away. So first I am so excited because I haven't seen any of this. It's classic filler paper, Moana themed. And you have your characters there in the corner. It says set your own course. Let me see what's on the flip side. Usually it's 40 sheets. So it's just the ombre style color on the border of the page there. So you get 40 pages of that. My favorite. The accessory packs are my favorite, other than the main planner, of course. But this, I think, just gives character and adds to your planner. It makes it more fun. And so your accessory pack comes with these cute, tiny sticky notes. I love adding these to my planner. I'll just snap it on there just to get a look and feel for it. And then you get a bookmark, which is just so gorgeous. I love bookmarks, dashboards. I do think this has the film, if I'm experienced. Okay, I'll take it off in a bit. And then it comes with a folder and a sticker sheet. Hey is a cute character. And I saw, I think at Walmart, they were selling these and they sold out quickly. Anyways, look how cute the folder, front and back. I like to put my sticker sheet in here. And then you get 20 sheets of filler paper, very colorful. Moana and Pua in there, and there's a floral design there at the corner at the top. And the back has palm tree, I guess, a palm here, and a flower there in the corner. Set your own course. And so it has the same saying back here as it does on this 40 sheets of filler paper. So they'll go well together. Okay. I didn't get the notebook because I already have too many notebooks. I have too many planners, but I wanted to get this Moana planner. It's just cute and adorable. And I love the movie. I think I like the first one. I can't lie. That's my opinion. Of course, it's an opinion. I'm going to go ahead and put in here my accessories. So I'll go ahead and I'll look at that. First divider. That blue foil is gorgeous. This I love, the blue foil. I don't think I've seen blue foil in other sticker books or planners. Since it's an undated planner, I can use this whenever, just like my last few planners. I'm liking this cover. The inside of the covers, because it's, oh, I think it's so bright and it's beautiful. Anyway, so it's undated and you get your stickers to put on your tabs here on the dividers. You will get a year at a glance, or wait, no, you don't. You don't get the year at a glance and the perpetual calendar for these undated planners, but that's okay. You got a currently page here. Too cute as always when it comes to Disney. And again, this blue foil is gorgeous. Undated monthly view, and this is a vertical, so that I like that a lot. And then let me show you the second divider. Third, these are just so beautiful. I like. And then there is the movie. I liked it. It was cute. I really, for some reason, I don't know why. If anybody thought the same, I thought it was going to be about the sisters. This is the cover of the planner. And then, but it wasn't. And my sister, my whole family went. My parents and my daughters will make your journeys epic. Oh, this is cute. I like this. I like this. And then, true to your heart, like get more of that blue foil. Oh, this tab is a little bent. And then the last one, Moana there. And then this is the back cover and the inside cover. Couldn't you see it? Tell me if you all like this as a cover or this as the cover. Let me know in the comments section below what you prefer or what you like more than as far as the cover on this. Okay, and then of course I have my, let's see, since it doesn't have a perpetual calendar here, I can put my folder. I typically put them in the back, but when they're the undated planners, sometimes I like to put this up front. And I need to put some sticker sheets. And then I'll put my bookmark in. Oh, this one's popping right back up. And we're set. And then I'll just add the filler paper in the back and we'll be good to go. And we're good with our Moana planner. Then I got this accessory zip pouch. I have one already from the Disney Villains release. I think it was in the fall release. And so, but I'm loving me some Mickey right now. And because of this, oh, I forgot my Moana sticker book. I don't think it has a title, it just says Moana there at the top. And it's for a classic, it's classic, but you can put it in any size planner. Just a really quick glance at the stickers. Moana, Maui. I love all these decorative stickers. And there's some functional boxes. Very Moana themed. Island theme. Ooh, I saw this in Christopher's Plan Your Truth video. These are washi strips. Let me make sure I got that right. I can't tell where it starts or ends. Okay, people, I am challenged here. I can't see where it starts and where it ends. I mean, well, where it starts, I guess. It ends. Okay, this is challenging for me. I can't pull up that washi strip, but it's gorgeous. I'll try in a bit. Here's the rest of the sticker book. The paper ones are easier for me to lift because the edge is more visible. So you can see that it's clear. These are actually clear. I thought they were paper. But that's what, and this is paper. This one's paper, washi. But I can't pull up these so easily, the clear ones. I'm trying to. I can't, because I can't see the edge of it. So there you go, more washi strips, functional decorative boxes. Those are the double boxes, by the way, so. They are so cute with all the characters, Hey Hey and Pua. This is a very nice sticker book. Ooh, and there's some foil here too. Look at that. So pretty. I'm liking this blue very much. Okay, we're done with the Moana theme stuff. Now let's get to our mod. Let's see if I'm saying it right. I don't think it's on here, but it's from the Mod Mickey line. And this is a limited edition cover. I can't describe it. Everybody's calling it vegan leather, special edition cover. But it's embossed with, I don't know if you can see there, the darker stars, if you will. You can, I don't know, it's embossed. And the gold on it, foil, just makes it more gorgeous with the Mickey heads there. And then not to mention the gold metal discs with Mickey's shape there. And I just love it. And this too is undated. I'm going to use this one for work. I'm using right now an undated big modern Mickey planner for work, but it's kind of hard to, I'm traveling from campus to campus. And again, undated, so there's no perpetual calendar or goodness, you're at a glance. Here's the first divider, your monthly view, it's undated, like I said, and you'll have horizontal layout for this specific planner. If I did not want to use this style, this layout, which is not one of my favorites, but I can work with it because I'm loving the look. I am just loving it. And it has a checklist boxes, which I can definitely use at work. They're very light, so you can put a sticker over that if you really didn't want that checklist on the side. Here is the other divider. The third. Good things are coming, that's for sure. Christmas is coming. I can't wait. Oh, it's so different when you get it, see this in person. I see videos over and over because I want to make sure when I make a decision, I see the preview, the sneak peeks that they do on Instagram, Happy Planner puts out. And I know I can always look at videos from Plan Your Truth, Christopher from Plan Your Truth, because he's a Disney fan and they always send him all of that. Inside the cover, it's just plain there, but it's just nice and very neutral. The back doesn't have the gold foil, but it still has the Mickey heads and the stars there. Well, does it have the Mickey heads? Yes. I don't know if you can see them. They're there. And then the front, see. I love this look. It's beautiful. And then they didn't have any accessory. They didn't have an accessory pack for this. They did release a big notebook. And this is how I would put this. And you can put in here. And what I like is it opens flat. So you can put here marker, maybe highlighters, my whiteout pen, Jelly Roll pen, maybe some glitter pens here. You have this pouch here too, zipper pouch. You can put something in there. You have this little mesh pocket. You close it. What I like is that my phone fits here in this pocket. I put my iPhone in here and it fit very nicely. So when I'm at work, see, that's what I like about this pouch. And I'm using another pouch that's similar to this same style. The Villains, when the Villains came out in the fall release. This is the winter release, so if you want to grab something, I think they're having sales too, so you want to try getting one, you can go ahead and try and get one at a discount. Okay, these I love. I have in my undated planners. I'm sorry, these are the only items I didn't unwrap, but these are 5 dividers. They're for the mini planners. And it comes with a sticker sheet. So you can put, because it's got little tabs there, blue, green, that's like a light peach, darker peach, and pink. I love these colors, and I love these dividers. They're frosted, and you can put an image or see the image on the other side if you wanted to have an image. And then I got some for the classic size. So like for my planner for work, I can put these in there. My Mickey. I'm going to be using my planners for starting in January of 2025. This is a sticker sheet for the classic sized frosted dividers. I'm loving these very, very much. These colors are so bright and beautiful. I'm super excited. This just makes, adds color to my day. It makes it fun to open up my planner and just see what I got. And this just adds to the monotony of our job. My job sometimes can get to me, and being able to turn and look at my happy planners like this is so neutral and very professional looking. I could use it at work. This is going to be my family planner, and because I think it just, you know, says family all over it. And then I do have these sheets I have to add. I think I'm going to do another video where I accessorize and change the discs on my other items that I've shown here on my YouTube channel. I want to thank everybody really that joins me to look at the product. I really don't do it to try. I don't have an affiliate link. I'm not attached in that way to anyone. And I just enjoy this. I truly enjoy this as a hobby, collecting the planners of Disney. I mean, I collect lots of things of Disney, but this is just something that I can use, very functional in my day. And so let me pause and see if there's anything else, because I haven't done, maybe I need to do another video because this is getting long. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And here comes our Bible verse.